Sound like my kind of snacks. Dolly Lemonade. Look at these ingredients. Poisonade, weaponized plutonium. Attention, these new vending machine snacks are crammed with processed sugar and trans fatty acids.
Don't be a follower, be a snack swallower.
It's fun to obey the machine.
You're 5 cents away from an awesome beverage or snack.
Willie, wanna buy my skateboard?
Why not? Look at me! I'm an American boy! Oh, get away! What are you looking at, you bastards?
Machine to school feed me now.
Replaced by a machine?
I'm ready for some lovin'. Why did I give her a gun?